Hindi, ilan po yung nag-surrender na nabigyan ng 100,000 each?
26,132.
26,132. Ilan po yung baril?
We have 4,625.
4,000. So, 26,000 ang nabigyan ng 100,000 each at ang kapalit ay 4,000 na baril. Hindi ho ba kayo nag-conduct na investigation bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy? At ano po naging result ng inyong investigation? At meron ho bang nanagot? Meron ho bang nasibak?
Sir, actually, sir, that's our also our demand to the implementing panel, considering that as we have said, we have a security judge.
Sorry sir, sorry. Ang tanong ko po, nag-conduct na ho ba kayo ng investigation? Kasi ang laking pera po dito and discrepancy. 26 versus 4,000. We're talking about the hundreds of millions na dito siguro.
Sir, we investigated the documents of our agreement and we have not seen any